Welcome, my name is Matthijs and you're listening to Injured Dumbass, your go-to podcast if you want to get rid of your injuries and optimize your health. I've seen more than 40 physiotherapists, podiatrists, had a knee surgery, an MRI scan and saw many more professionals that didn't know how to help me with my injuries. And after 5 years of struggling, a man named Gerben Hierck helped me with a fairly unknown form of therapy called PDTR. He fixed my knee stabilization in 2 hours, something that all the previous professionals could not achieve. And after that experience, I swore to dedicate my life to learning and sharing problem-solving knowledge. Everything to optimize your health and help you to get rid and stay away from injuries.
Gezondheid draait niet om voeding, maar het draait om energie. Het draait dus om elektromagnetisme opwekken en het is niet voedingafhankelijk.
Here comes the crying and the activation of the brain. I have the question for the people who have absolutely no clue what is TRE. Okay.
Injuries.
Because I was wondering, have you ever dealt with physical injuries?
Yes, I did. And